15, functional notation, evaluating functions is given below. This function f of x is negative 2x cubed minus 5. G of x is negative 3x minus 1. It tells me to find f of negative 2 and g of 3. So if I'm doing f of negative 2, it's telling me to put that value in for x in my f function. So f of negative 2 says I'm going to do negative 2 times negative 2 cubed minus 5. I then have to solve that following my order of operations. So I have to do my exponents before I do any multiplying. Negative 2 to the third power. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 would be negative 8. So I have negative 2 times negative 8, which is positive 16. 16 minus 5 gives me 11. So f of negative 2 is equal to 11. G of 3. G of 3 tells me to put 3 in for my x values in my g function. So I'm going to take negative 3 times 3 minus 1. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 minus 1, negative 10. So g of 3 equals negative 10. So functional notation, just a way of telling you, like that function table, what numbers to put in for your x's, and then you're going to solve and find your answers. So here I want to do f of negative 3, f of negative 3. So I'm going to do f of negative 3. I've got x's in 2 spots. That means I'm going to put the negative 3 in both of those spots. So I'm going to do 3 times negative 3 squared, 3 times negative 3 squared, minus 3 times negative 3 on the end. So following my order of operations, I've got to do my squaring first. Negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. 3 times 9 is 27. Negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. So now I have 27 plus 9, which is 36. G of negative 6 says I'm going to put negative 6 into my g expression. So g of negative 6 says I'm going to do 2 times negative 6 minus 1. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Negative 12 minus 1 gives me negative 13. Number 15, again, functional notation. I'm doing f of negative 2. So f of negative 2 says I'm going to take 3 times negative 2 cubed plus 5, putting negative 2 in for my x there in my f expression. Again, following my order of operations, I've got to do the cubing first. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8. 3 times negative 8 would be negative 24. Negative 24 plus 5, looks like I'm going to end up with negative 19. And then I'm going to do g of 5. So g of 5 says I'm going to take negative 4 times 5 plus 4. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. A negative 20 plus 4 is going to give me negative 16. So functional notation. So now what they're trying to get across to you is something like this. I'm in functional notation.